How to fix PikaShow not opening on phone. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, you need to head over to General and then move into iPhone storage. Once you're in this page, you have to make sure that the storage is not full. If it's full, then clear some of the space. Once done, scroll all the way down to the bottom and then search for the application PikaShow. Once found, head over to it. Click on Offload App. Once again, tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. But if you're still having the issue, then the next thing you want to do is go back to home screen, tap and hold the application and click on Remove. Tap on Delete. Once deleted, reinstall the application and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.